Let's get started with the reading and explanation of unit number 5. So come to page number 56 of your textbook. This is paragraph number 1. Ensure access to water and sanitation for all. Access to safe water, sanitation and hygiene is the most basic human need for health and well-being. Billions of people will lack access to these basic services in 2030 unless progress quadruples. Demand for water is rising owing to rapid population growth, urbanization, and increasing water needs from agriculture, industry, and energy sectors. Dear students, first of all, we are going to do the meanings of difficult vocabulary words which are highlighted with red color. Number 1 is quadruples. Quadruples means becomes 4 times bigger or more. The next is urbanization, when people move towards cities or when more people start living in cities. These are the meanings of two difficult vocabulary words in paragraph number 1. Access to clean or safe water, sanitation and hygiene is the most basic human need for health and well-being. So access to safe water, clean water, sanitation and hygiene means wash, is essential for human well-being. And billions of people will lack access to these basic services in 2030. Billions of people lack these services and billions of people will lack access to these basic services in 2030. Why? Unless progress quadruples. Quadruples means unless progress speeds up 4 times faster. So therefore, demand for clean water will rise due to rapid population growth. Here it is written, water is rising, the need for water is rising owing to rapid population growth, urbanization and increasing water needs from agriculture, industry and energy sector. These points we are going to discuss one by one, how water is needed, why increasing water needs from all these points, from agriculture, from urbanization, from industry, from rapid population growth and energy crisis. How? Point number 1, rapid population growth. More people, more water. What does this mean? Yes, more people, more water is needed for drinking, cooking, bathing and cleaning. As population grows, so does the need for water in homes, schools and hospital. Point number 2, demand for water is rising owing to population, owing to urbanization. How? When people move to cities, when people move towards cities, the demand for water rises. Cities use a lot of water for homes, buildings, roads and businesses. Waste from cities also pollute water sources, making clean water harder to find. Next point is increasing water needs from agriculture. How? Farming uses more water for watering crops. As we need more food for more people, farming will need even more water, and the chemicals used in farming can mix with water and make it unsafe to drink, so make the water unsafe to drink. Next point is energy crisis. How water is needed? Producing electricity needs a lot of water, especially in power plant. If energy is in short supply, what happens? Water system definitely may not work, so causing water shortages. So water system may not work, causing water shortages. So water is needed in this sector as well. Next point is factories and industries need water, need more water to make products. What are the products being made at industries and factories? Yes, clothes, papers and food. As industries grow, they use more water and often pollute it in the process. So this reduces the amount of water that is clean and safe to use. So these are the basic points that we must keep in mind, that water is needed just because of population is growing, just because of the urbanization, and increase of water need arises just because of the agriculture, industry and energy sector as well. I hope that you have understood paragraph number 1.